new generation and people who want to live the good life, like say anything illegal. This meeting is for them. Now we have studied in our research. Please bring out your document. You have one. Why are so many people poor? I'm going to run through this. The first one is job security. Job security. Many of us were looking for a safe and secure job. And I was even making an instance yesterday when I was giving a lecture to some set of people that, do you know Nigeria, we have a good percentage of us that are employed and are not working. Hello? Go to some sectors. Many people are employed, but they are not working. Now, taking salary from government, but nothing is going back to the government. Hello? And that's why many people are poor. Can you imagine a child of 25 years old thinking about how he's going to be a pensioner, whereas they are studying pension, gratuity? Hello? People are looking for where they can stay. That owó mama wọlé lóṣooṣù láì ṣe kankan. That's the reason why many people are poor. And think about it. If they say job security, the most safe and secure place in the world is in the prison. Hello? So you being okay, I want to be safe and secure somewhere. Mi ò fẹ́ gbìyànjú nǹkan mi. Mi ò fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan. You are putting yourself into financial prison. And that's how many people are poor. Another one we have is fear of the unknown. People are scared of taking action. There are two kinds of fear. The first one is fear itself. Hello? And the second one is courage. Can I say courage? Irrespective, but I still take risk. Only who does not take risk will live one of the risky life. It is even riskier not to take risk. Coming to this world is risky. You come in alive, but you are not going to get out alive. I don't know how only you are. You are not going out of this world alive. Hello? I hope you know. For murder or punnet. Tell them about take risk. Another one is lack of financial education. And you can be environment you are as an example. You come from an environment, your daddy is poor, your mommy is poor, your pastor in church is poor, talking to you every day. Your imam is poor, your primary school teacher is poor, your secondary school teacher is poor, your university lecturers are poor. Then who is going to teach you about how to have money? So what they are pouring into your head is that they have tried, they have failed, and you yourself will not even try it at all. Because you have asked stories of people that have tried and failed. Now, financial education is very, very important. Lack of financial education. Ẹ̀jìnì ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn iṣẹ́ wọn dẹ̀ lákòójọ. Hello, it's basically because of financial education. Now, another reason why many people are poor is what? Inherited possession of the work concept. Now, hello, tó o bá ṣiṣẹ́ o ò lè jẹun, irú iṣẹ́ tó ń sọ kọ́ nìyẹn o. Yorùbá kan sọ fúnra ẹ pé iṣẹ́ di ọmọ aláṣẹ kí ni? Ẹ má bínú tó ṣe bí owó ẹ̀yìn àgbàlagbà tẹ̀ wá bí. Iṣẹ́ di ọmọ aláṣẹ kí ni? Ọba ń ṣiṣẹ́ ọmọ. Owó di ọmọ aláṣẹ kí ni? Ọba fẹ́ là ọ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ ọ̀ ṣòwò ni. Má tanra rẹ̀. Sálárì tó fún kódà tó bá tó là nídìí iṣẹ́ EFCC yóò wá gbé ọ. Tọ́lọ́ ti kó nǹkan mọ́ nǹkan. Hello? Now, another one that is very important is physical and mental laziness. Many people are busy, provide an opportunity that can change their life. Hello? They will not do. Many books have been written. Lórí pé bó ni nǹkan ṣe jẹ́ téèyàn fi tayọ láyé. Many people never open financial book till today. Ẹ̀gbọ́n kan tí bá Bishop Oyedepo sọ ni, only the best way to keep from a black man is to hide it in a book. We know they read. Financial book, we know they read. Another one is lack of patience and inability to delay gratification. People are looking for where to pack money now and get money in the next 2 hours. Is there anything like that? You will know there is nothing like that. Even God that created the earth, He spent 7 days. Can I say process? Can I say process? Ó wá fẹ́ bí ọmọ kan, ó fẹ́ bí ọmọ láàrin oṣù kan, ó wá fún obìnrin 9 lóyún. So ṣe ipe kí gbogbo wọn pé oṣù kọ̀ọ̀kan lò. Hello, so ṣe. Can I say it takes process? Another thing is what? I am very busy mentality. Many people say I am busy, I don't have time. Check them out. They are busy watching Big Brother. They are busy watching television. They are busy talking about politics. They are busy watching football. But the real meaning of busy is that you are busy looking for what will change your life. That's the real meaning of busy. So ladies and gentlemen, Outright rejection of change for no reason. Many people don't believe things as change, and that's why they are still where they are. Being addicted to the approval and opinion of other people. Ẹlòmíì kò lè dá ronú. Ó ń gbọ́ kiri ayé ẹ̀sẹ̀. Olóńgbà ilé ayé rẹ̀ dé 50. Ó ń wọṣọ tí òwú wọ̀. Ó ń gun mọ́tò tí òwú gùn. Ó ń wọ bàtà tí òwú wọ̀. I want somebody is getting me. Ọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́rọ̀ olóńgbò kò lè dá ronú ti ara rẹ̀. Now the next one is obsolete mental programming. Ó ní àwọn òwe ìkẹ́tọ́ ti fi program wa jáde. Àwọn òwe bíi ìka ọ̀dọ́gba. Ìka ọ̀dọ́gba lóòótọ́. Bọ̀ ṣé wọn lọ fẹ́ jẹ́ ìka tó kúrú jù? Hello? Ṣé wọn lọ fẹ́ kúrú jù? Ta ló fẹ́ jẹ́ ìka tó kúrú jù ẹ̀yẹ lọ́wọ́ wa lókè? Ta ló wá fẹ́ jẹ́ ìka tó ga ẹ̀yẹ lọ́wọ́ wa lókè? Gbogbo ìka ọ̀dọ́gba ẹ̀ kò sẹ́ni tó fẹ́ fún kúkúrú. The patient dog eats the fattest bone. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ń pè é bone ó ní meat. Hello? Ta ló jẹ meat? Tó bá dọjọ́ kan wá wàá sè é rọ̀. Ajá tó jẹ meat yóò tún wá jẹ bone. Kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀? Ajá tó dúró de bóòlù kò ní nìkan kan jẹ ìgbẹ́ yóò jẹ kiri lórí èkìtàn. That's why you see many people they neglect opportunity. They now settle for less when there is no strength again. Because the strength that we have now, bóyá fẹ́ bóyá kọ̀, your age is inversely proportional to strength. What you can do at 20 will not be what you can do at 50. Kò sọ pé kò fẹ́ já, you will grow. Gbogbo wa la gbàdúrà ká dàgbà, àbí? Bọ̀ á gbàdúrà ká dàgbà yẹ̀yẹ́, àbí o? Ẹ̀yin mélòó lẹ fẹ́ dàgbà yẹ̀yẹ́ yẹ rán wa lókè? Àní dàgbà yẹ̀yẹ́ sàmí o. The last one ni pé Tolúwa ṣe mo ti gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tó ti sọ látàárọ̀. Bọ̀ ó dọ̀la kí tó ṣe, ó dọ̀túnla kí tó ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ tó lé nìyí. Ó dọ̀túnla kí tó lè ráyè ṣe. Kàwé ṣe procrastination. Eléyìí ó yára bá yéèyàn jẹ́ gbẹ́ nílé lọ. Ọ̀làjú ẹ̀ lọ rí pé ọjọ́ ti lọ mọ́ lára, ọtí gbó, ọ̀sìn ní achievement kankan. Now, ó wá ní ọkùnrin kan ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n ó ní the real reason why most people are poor is because they learn